Welcome to Paper of the Week. My name's Steve and I hope you like my new black t-shirt. Fantastic. You can buy them at the website. No, I shouldn't give a paper flog here. I'm talking about Paper of the Week, and this paper is on polyphenols. Polyphenols are found in pretty much all your fresh fruits and vegetables. Wonderful things. They're found in seeds, they're found in the skins and the peels. And our most popular product here at ATP Science is a polyphenol concentrate, which of course is the gut right. Now, this paper is titled The Effects of Polyphenols and Other Bioactives on Human Health, and the effect is enormous. Basically, polyphenols don't have a recommended daily intake like vitamin C, I think, is 60 milligrams. Geez, I'm going to get corrected on that. Vitamin D is about 1,000 international units. The RDA stands for recommended death allowances. I don't care what they say. I think we should be having optimal amounts of nutrients. So, but basically polyphenols, they're found in tea, cocoa, fruits, berries, as well as vegetables, and they're all rich in polyphenols. And I'll give you one example of a polyphenol called flavin-3-ol, which is found in cocoa, which is, chocolate, say dark chocolate. Now, if you run to the store and get a Mars bar and think it's healthy, please don't listen to any more podcasts. We're talking about the cocoa bean, but not chocolate bar that's full of terrible trans fats and terrible sugar. We're talking about the cocoa, which is the black stuff, the dark brown stuff, the stuff that's really good for you. And it's been associated with a reduced risk of stroke, which of course is a clot in the brain or a bleed in the brain, myocardial infarction, heart attack. It improves diabetes, as well as improvements in blood lipids, endothelial dependent blood flow, which of course is the inside of your arteries. It dilates those, which is fantastic, and therefore reduces blood pressure. It's great for insulin resistance, as well as reducing systemic inflammation. So again, that's the coca. It's not the Mars bar, all right? Very, very different things. The flavonoid quercetin and resveratrol have been found to be associated with cardiometabolic health, so improvements in health as well. Also, resveratrol is a mild aromatase inhibitor. So if you're an old man like me, who's recently turned 50, resveratrol can help you preserve your testosterone function. So that's another polyphenol that's very good for you. Really, really good stuff. So there are these things. Now, the other main area where polyphenols work is within the gastrointestinal tract. Now, what they do is they act as a mild poison. They do protect the plants from sun and oxidation, but they also protect the plant from getting eaten by bugs and that. So they're very antimicrobial. So if you eat these things, you have food which feeds you good bugs, and then you eat these polyphenols which kill your bad bugs. So it's a really, that's why you should eat your whole fruit and vegetables. This is what the gut right is a concentrate of the good part of the fruit and vegetables, but eating polyphenols is your best way to get overall health. So polyphenols can impact the composition of the gut microbiome, which of course has a two-way effect with the brain. And polyphenols, of course, have been also associated with improvements in depression. Now, there are a few classes of polyphenols that are worth mentioning and where they come from. There's the flavonols, which of course are found in your teas and coffees and red wines and all your nuts and seeds and peels and all those sorts of things. Good stuff. The flavin-3-ols, which of course is found in the cocoa we talked about, particularly dark berry. And that can also include epigallocatechin 3-gallate, which of course is found in green tea. So you might have heard of ECGC, or I just call it by its proper name. There's flavones, there's isoflavones, which are found in soy products. There's anthocyanidins, which are the colourful things found in fruits and vegetables. And then there's the pro-anthocyanidins, and that's found in red wine and those sorts of things as well. There's cinnamonates, which of course, believe it or not, it's found in cinnamon. Ellagic acids found in berries, and the coumarins found in, for example, coumarin and cinnamon. So there's lots of these things, and the way they work throughout the body, and they work in the gut microbiome. So if you can change the gut microbiome, you can get a much more healthy effect systemically, as well as going into the blood at low concentration. So these things are absolutely wonderful stuff. This is a great review article, and it talks about all the health benefits of polyphenols, and this was published in Food and Function, and it was published just quite recently, this year, January 5th, 2019. So I would urge everybody to have a really rich plant-based diet full of all these natural antioxidants, and make sure you get an abundance of colourful fruits and vegetables, because usually polyphenols are colourful. So make sure you get loads of vegetables and fruits. I'm not teaching you anything you don't know. You should be eating those things anyway. But this just gives you one more reason to eat them, and it may not be, it won't be, you won't find this in your RDA, but this is a great thing, a reason to eat those vegetables and that. All right, well, thanks very much. I'm Steve, and thanks for Paper of the Week.